In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access CPanel in BlueHost. If you're ready to get started, let's dive in. First things first, you need to log into your BlueHost account. This account is sometimes referred to as your account manager. If you've never logged in before or it's been a while, you can find the login page by going to the main BlueHost website. Once you're there, look for the login button, often located at the top right corner of the homepage. Simply click on it and enter your credentials. Remember, having a strong password is crucial here to ensure your account remains secure. If you have trouble logging in, use the Forgot Password option to reset your login details. After you have successfully logged into your account, you'll notice a variety of options in the sidebar on the left side of your screen. What you need to do next is look for the Hosting tab there. This tab is your gateway to all things related to your hosting packages and their management. Give it a click, and this will direct you to a page where you can see all the hosting packages that are linked to your account. Now, if you're someone with just a single hosting package, the system simplifies things for you by taking you directly to the management area for that package. This means you won't have to worry about selecting from a list. You're taken straight to where you need to go, which is a great time saver. But what you really want to focus on now is scrolling down this page until you locate the Quick Links section. This section is designed to provide you with easy access to the most essential features of your hosting plan. Once you get to the Quick Links section, keep an eye out for the button labeled CPanel. Clicking this button is your key to unlock the CPanel, which is basically the control center for your website where you can manage all your site settings and files. When you click on this button, it opens the CPanel interface in a new tab. And just like that, you're now in the CPanel, ready to start making any adjustments or updates you need for your website. Accessing the CPanel through BlueHost is designed to be as straightforward as possible, providing you with a streamlined process that grants you control with just a few clicks. Whether you're updating your site, checking on some data, or seeking new tools and resources, the CPanel is a powerful feature to have at your disposal. I hope this helps you navigate your BlueHost account more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.